on, guys? We are back with another video. This video we're not working on the Type R or the 350Z or the GTI. This time we got my little brother's car right here. So his GR86, right now he's only got a cat bag. He's got some custom tail lights, some aftermarket wheels, some side skirts, this little carbon fiber spoiler right here. These lights right here though, they're pretty dope. But we're doing some performance finally. So we got these Catless. I think they're unequal length headers. So this thing is going to be loud, bro. I mean, it's already pretty loud, but this is gonna make it obnoxiously loud. So I'm gonna put that down. I've never done headers in the car, so I don't know what I'm doing. So we already lifted the car up. We gotta, let me get down here. You gotta take this cover off right here so we can get access to the headers. And then from what I saw when I looked up how to take these out, there's 3 bolts on each side. So we gotta take 3 bolts on one side, 3 bolts on the other one. The O2 sensors, disconnect them, and then that should be it. I think, at least I hope so. And then also here, let me show you what we're doing to the Type R. What do you guys think? We wrapped it pink, but I think that will look better if it's white. Then we also wrap that pink. Bro, look at this driveway. Look at my dog. We got a GTI right here. We got a 350Z right here. We got a Type R right here. I might sell this. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm gonna get to work. It's getting late. It's almost 8 p.m. It gets dark pretty quick. Like I said, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I hope I don't mess anything up. Shouldn't be that hard. From what I saw on that YouTube video, it took the guy like 30 minutes, 40 minutes to get this done, so I'm hoping it'll take me the same amount of time. I think I just spit on the camera. I'm sorry, guys. All right, guys, but before we even start doing the whole teardown, let's see how this thing sounds with the cold start. All right, go ahead. As you guys can tell, that's pretty loud. That's pretty loud. Look at this. Look at the lights. Look at the lights. Okay, yeah, shut it up. I'm telling you, this is loud for no reason. But, hold up. There you go. All right, now let's get to work. Okay, guys, so now we have that piece out. So now we have access to the actual headers. But the thing is, listen, we should have never revved the car because now the exhaust is hot. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. But essentially what you wanna do is I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a nut right here, one over there. So that's 2 of them. There's supposed to be 3. Oh, that's 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then 3 on the other side. Gonna take that one off too. That one off. And then I think we need to get back here. Yeah, and then we're gonna take that nut and then that nut off too. Oh. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that 100%, but once I take the exhaust out, I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, guys, so it's been probably like 45 minutes at least. I just couldn't take the thing off, but we got it off. Oh, my light. Hold up, guys, so you guys can see me better. There we go. No. Well, I'm just gonna hold it. But we've got the old headers out. Let me put the other one so we can compare it and you guys can see the difference. Might have my brother do it because I'm holding the camera and I can't even put this thing on. There we go. That should hold it. Cool. Okay. So these are the new ones. This is the old one. As you guys can see, this has no cats. It's just straight up piping. I think the holes are the same size, same diameter, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. Do I leave these on like that? Hold on. There we go. You gotta take these out because we're gonna put the O2 sensors right here. That's for one. I might need my other thing to take this out, but okay. But we got everything off. Now we're gonna put everything back together. It should go in way quicker than we took it out, because dude, I was struggling. I just couldn't take it out, so I had to. So pretty much in the back of the car, let me see if I can show you. Kind of had to take the back part of the exhaust out, so that I had to take the back part of the exhaust out so I can like kind of like pull it, and the studs would come out the manifold here, so that I could just drop the whole thing. And then I forgot there was two sensors, so it was just dangling by one sensor, but I finally got it out. It was such a pain. Oh man. Now I'm gonna do a downpipe pretty soon in the Type R. So I'm hoping that that's way easier than this, because this has been, it's been a minute, bro. It's been a minute, I'm not gonna lie. But all right, let me get back to work. It's already like, what time is it? Let me grab my phone. Okay, so it's 9:06. I'm gonna try to get this done before 10, because I gotta wake up early tomorrow, go to work, and still gotta go shower, and still gotta go eat. I've been here for the last like hour and a half, but you know what? The car's gonna sound clean, it's gonna sound good, so it's worth it. But let me get back to work. I'll put the camera down. Okay guys, so we are done. Everything's put back together except the back end of the exhaust, because I kind of broke one of these. So this one's works, but the other one, it broke off when I took it off. So we're gonna go pick up a new one tomorrow, and then I can put the whole thing back together. But the whole exhaust is pretty much done from like the back muffler to the front. So that's done, so we can pretty much cold start the car. So let's see how this thing sounds with no cats. All right, go ahead. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? All right, go ahead. You turn it off. A ver, breve poquito. ¿Está la check engine prendida? Oh, yeah, I haven't checked it. I'm trying to see I'm pretty sure the check engine light's gonna be on. We gotta tune it. On? No. Alright, ready? It sounds kind of doesn't sound the best right now, because again the back muffler is not attached, it's just like kind of attached, so it has kind of like an exhaust leak if you think about it. But the good thing is the check engine light's not on. Ooh, it stinks. Ooh, but okay, but we are gonna call it a day, guys, for at least for today. It's already legit. What time is it? Hold up, let me put this in here. Okay. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, you know what? Where's my phone? It's, what time is it? It's 10:14, and I've been working on this since like 7:45. So it's been like 2.5 hours. But I'm gonna go inside, 'cause I'm gonna go shower, I'm gonna go eat, and I'm gonna go sleep, because I gotta go work tomorrow. Oh, let me show you this real quick. So we ended up doing this white, and then Type R symbol white. I think that looks way cleaner. But like I said, we're gonna call it a day today. So you guys tomorrow once everything has been set and done. Bye. Okay guys, so it's the next day. As you guys can see, we're done with the car. It was a little bit of work, but at the end we got it done yesterday. It was like maybe like 10:30, 10:45 when we finished. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cold start going. Well, it's not really a cold start. The car was driven like an hour ago. It's been sitting for an hour, so I'm hoping it's loud enough. But it's pretty loud. It's pretty loud, so that shouldn't even matter. But okay guys, now let's take this thing on a test drive, and then just so you guys know, yeah, the check engine light came on after a while. It was off, but it came on, so he's gonna have to tune it pretty soon to get that light off. But let's go on a test drive. Let's see how this thing sounds. I don't know if you guys heard it, but there is an exhaust leak, I can tell somewhere, so I probably didn't tighten something down there. But we'll do that a different day, because I kind of got stuff I gotta do after I'm done filming it. So I tell you, bro, this thing is so loud. But I don't know if you guys can hear the little like rattle. I didn't tighten something down there. Okay. It was just a quick test drive. Let's go back now. But it does feel way. Yeah, you can kind of notice the gains because this thing pulls now. Wait, I gotta be quiet here. There's a school zone. It was so loud. It's so loud that we went like 30 miles an hour. That's why I always say a car does not have to be fast for you to have fun, bro. Like, if you were to tell me either, like back when I had my Mustang, that was a 10-speed, that car was boring, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's why I didn't even drive it like that. That's why I always drove the Type R. Like, this car is way more fun. Maybe just because it's stick shift. Almost stalled it. Just so you guys know, the car is making all this noise. I think we're going like 20, 30 miles an hour. Okay. Okay guys, so we are back home, and I don't know if you guys saw, but this thing rips now. Like it's not like fast like that, but it's quick, bro. It's quick. You can tell the difference. Like I was like the rear end was kind of coming loose in some of those shifts, but it's well, one, it sounds way too loud. Like for my taste, I think it's too loud. Like I'm not even gonna lie, like this is like par on par with when I had my Camaro, when it was like full like Catless headers, exhaust and everything. It's that loud, bro. Like it's insanely loud. Like today morning when he turned this thing on to go to work, bro, he woke me up. It was like 5 in the morning. He woke me up because I don't work today. But either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what we should do next. Let me know what we should do next, because right now we got the Type R right here, so we might be doing something to it. We might not. I don't know. And also something that we did off camera. So we ended up tinting the taillights on this thing. And that looks way better now. We gotta do some stuff to this 350Z though. We haven't worked on it. Actually, on some off-cam top stuff, you know? Some carbon fiber pieces right here. And then also on the other side, some more carbon fiber pieces. And no, it's not real carbon. It's actually just a wrap. I put it there because it's the old plastic that's there. It's really like old and like brittle. Not brittle, but it kind of looks like this. It's like the sun kind of chewed it up, you know? So I wanted to make it look a little bit better, but I am gonna take those off. I'm gonna put some gloss black ones instead, because I do think that kind of looks kind of tacky, I'm not gonna lie. But like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.